Omutninsk metallurgical plant is one of the major world manufacturers of precision steel structural shapes. The plant is among the leaders of the ferrous metallurgy in both Russia and Europe. The plant is a compact metallurgical complex, the production cycle of which starts with steel smelting and ends with deep processing of ferrous metals. The main products of the plant are more than 1,200 different types of quality steel structural shapes, including ready-made components for complex assemblies and mechanisms. The Omutninsk metal structural shapes are widely used in the automotive industry by well-known Russian and European manufacturers. For more than 30 years, the plant has been making lift guides. Their high quality is confirmed by stable demand from lift manufacturers in Russia, the CIS and the European Union countries. Special structural shapes for drilling rigs in the mining industry, as well as various types of section iron that are widely used in the construction industry, agricultural engineering, shipbuilding, petroleum engineering, and in the manufacture of various machine tools, various construction shapes for door and lock systems, and for furniture fittings. In addition, the plant has its own foundry. It manufactures extremely durable garden pitchforks and a wide range of consumer goods made from galvanized and food-grade tin. The Omutninsk iron-making plant was founded in the period when the famous Demidov plants appeared in the Urals in the 18th century. Nowadays, its history goes back nearly 2.5 centuries. During all that time, the company was repeatedly upgraded, invariably staying at the forefront of the advanced technologies of its time. If we turn to the past, to olden times, the plant didn't have such an explosive development in its entire history. All the shops have been rebuilt, the plant has been updated by almost 70%. An own foundry, hot rolling mills, and a complex for the production of calibrated structural shapes make it possible to optimize the output of finished products and ensure quality control throughout the production chain. Omutninsk metal structural shapes are produced in strict accordance with both Russian and foreign standards, as evidenced by international certificates of the Integrated Quality Management System. Exports of Omutninsk metal products to world markets keep on increasing each year. Today, the output of the plant is supplied to customers in more than 20 countries of the world. In addition to the logistics center in the Moscow region, representative offices of the plant successfully operate in the Far East, in China and in France. 2 metal service centers in the central and western parts of Germany provide prompt resolution of any issues concerning the prompt delivery of metal products.
We are achieving aims that have been set. At the moment, our plant has entered the great reconstruction of steel melting department. This is the last stage of global reconstruction of metallurgical plant.
The in-house production of steel at the Omutninsk plant makes it possible to create products that have specific properties depending on their requirements for further processing and operation of the final material. An optimal combination of the chemical composition and mechanical properties of certain steel grades makes it possible to significantly optimize the further parts production process. The facilities for producing precision special structural shapes of any complexity according to customers' drawings, both hot-rolled and calibrated, make it possible to create sections that are as close as possible to the geometry of finished parts or that are identical to the sections of finished products. All this significantly reduces the cost of subsequent production processes for our customers. The high qualification of its specialists, availability of certified laboratories and possession of intellectual property rights enable the Omutninsk metallurgical plant to manufacture quality competitive products for both domestic and foreign metal markets.